This chess set from 1972 has the valid moves for each piece stamped on their bases, making the game much easier for beginners to learn. The way this rubber band webbed itself in the grooves of my shoe. The way my transitions lenses looked after being in a mesh pocket. Snow build up from boots. Very long escalator at the subway station in Chongqing, China. This bike has minimalist pictures of the Simpsons family members on it. This is what the bottom of a frog stuck on a glass tank wall looks like. This imprint left on a dusty chair. I found a small fairy ring in my yard the other day. This paint I was mixing looked like a little forest planet. Difference between a bullet wound and a shrapnel wound. Tried to pull out a nail, bent the hammer instead. Husband and I build our bar, floating shelf, and hanging shelves. I've been making a tiny paper house. In the document for Japan's surrender in 1945, Canada's representative signed the wrong place, so they had to move each sign below. 9:30 PM, before and during lightning strike. My teeth gap is shaped like an upvote button. Recently abandoned honeycomb.